We are getting our antigen COVID test so that we can fly and get on the cruise ship, hopefully. Fingers crossed.
It's going to cost us $40 Canadian each here to get this done, and we have to have it done 1 day ahead of time, so we fly out in just over 24 hours. So fingers crossed.
Yeah.
We'll let you know how it goes.
Hopefully it all goes well.
Well, we just got out of the drugstore, and I'm negative, so I'm going on the cruise. How about you, Joe?
Yeah, negative.
Negative for both of us. We are 2 days from cruising. Okay, time check here. It is what, 9:30?
9:37.
9:37. We arrived at the Toronto airport at 9 o'clock. We checked in already. We have gone through security. We have gone through customs, and we are sitting at the gate. So 37 minutes. So you might want to know if we have a secret to doing this fast.
Here it is. Everybody, if you're Canadian trying to fly into the US, this Nexus card has saved us endless amounts of time.
So get your Nexus card if you're Canadian. Much easier to get in at the airports and land crossings. Hopefully you can hear me. We're at the airport here. We have arrived, finally, in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We started out at 9 o'clock this morning in Toronto Airport in the snow, and now we can see palm trees and a swimming pool right outside the window here. I'll let you take a look. And tomorrow, hopefully, we will be seeing a ship. Yeah, so we have had about 10 hours of traveling with a mask on, and we are settling in here at the Comfort Suites. We're just south of the cruise port. Say hi to Jill.
Hi everyone.
We were quick into Toronto Airport. We were late leaving because of de-icing. We then ended up with having to pretty well run through the Atlanta airport and change terminals and get to a flight. Luckily our flight to Fort Lauderdale was delayed as well. Nice room here. Maybe I'll do a walk through the room and you can see what a room looks like at the Comfort Suites here. Okay, room number 213, Comfort Suites. I believe it's 302 North Federal Highway in Dania Beach, Florida. And here is Jill. Not sure what she's doing with that suitcase.
I am putting the luggage tags on for the ship for tomorrow.
There we go. That's what we're doing tomorrow. We are going on a cruise. We have a nice big bathroom, one of those mirrors with the light inside. So when I am doing my hair, you can see what I'm doing. And lots of counter space in here. The usual toilette. We have a nice glassed-in shower area. We have a king-size bed. Jill said there's USB plugs on the lamps as well. Lots of room for storage. Nice big TV. And then we have kind of this little workstation area. So yeah, here's our couch. Most hotels in Fort Lauderdale near the cruise port are fairly expensive. I think we paid $175.
Somewhere around there.
American, I believe, we paid for the night. You do have to get a shuttle to the cruise port. That's pretty normal around here with cruise hotels, but the shuttle from the airport was free. So that is the room tour. And what are we doing tomorrow, Joe?
Going on a cruise.
We sure are. Been almost 2 years, and tomorrow we're going on a cruise. So we will get back to looking for some food, and tomorrow we will bring our embarkation day on Holland America's Nieuw Statendam. Finally, it's here.
It's here.
Talk to you tomorrow.